In this video, I'll guide you through how to play Steam games offline. Playing Steam games offline is a convenient way to enjoy your favorite titles even when you don't have an internet connection. Whether you're traveling, experiencing network issues, or simply want to play without online distractions, Steam's offline mode allows you to continue gaming as long as your games have been prepared in advance. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed Steam yet, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once the application is running, locate the Sign In button on the opening screen and click it to access the login page. Sign in using your Steam account credentials. Be sure to keep your login information secure and never share it with anyone. After signing in successfully, Steam will open to the main homepage where you can access all of your installed games. Next, navigate to your library. This is where your entire game collection is stored. Browse through the list and select the game you want to play offline. Before switching to offline mode, make sure the game is completely downloaded and fully updated. This is an important requirement because Steam needs all game files and updates to be installed while you're still connected to the internet. If you see any pending updates, allow them to finish before moving on. Once everything is up to date, click the Steam menu located in the top left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, choose Go Offline. Steam will begin transitioning into offline mode and may briefly restart to complete the process. Afterward, you'll notice that certain online features are no longer available, but your installed games will still be ready to launch. Now disconnect your computer from the internet. You can turn off your Wi-Fi connection or unplug your Ethernet cable to make sure you're completely offline. With your internet disconnected, return to your library, select the game you prepared earlier, and launch it normally. The game should start without requiring an internet connection, allowing you to play uninterrupted. Keep in mind that while offline mode lets you access supported games, features such as the Steam Store, community pages, cloud synchronization, and other online services won't be available until you reconnect to the internet. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to play Steam games offline whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.